Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Jamaican oceans and Jamaicans' urge to protect and preserve oceans. Now, Jamaica is an island, but Jamaica's major industry is tourism. And one of the reasons why people come to Jamaica so often is because of the beaches. And hotel chains all over the world are coming to Jamaica and building hotels on the properties that have the nicest beaches. Negril, Trelawney, Montego Bay, the North Coast, which includes Ocho Rios, Port Antonio. The beaches in Jamaica are very nice. And that's why it's so important for Jamaica and Jamaicans to protect the beaches and the oceans. Also, Jamaica is moving towards building ships and repairing ships, and they're building a massive shipyard down by the Harborview roundabout by that side. It's going to be one of the largest shipyards in Jamaica. I mean in the Caribbean. And Jamaica has the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. So it's very important for Jamaicans to protect the oceans. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Director General of the Maritime Authority of Jamaica, Rear Admiral Peter Brady, is urging Jamaicans to protect and preserve the oceans for generations to come in the interest of intergenerational equity. Rear Admiral Brady was speaking against the background of World Oceans Day, which was observed globally on June 6. The focus on intergenerational equity, Rear Admiral Brady pointed out, is particularly important as young people are the driving force behind the observation of World Oceans Day. On this day, we celebrate the beauty, importance, and vitality of our amazing oceans, which cover more than 70% of the planet's surface and is the habitat of millions of species of flora, fauna, and minerals, the Director General said. Rear Admiral Brady highlighted that although oceans are a source of life for many people, the oceans face many threats, particularly from human beings and their activities. These include climate change, overfishing, marine pollution, and habitat destruction. As an island state, Jamaica, like many of our Caribbean neighbors, is very dependent on its blue economy. We rely on our maritime environment for trade, marine tourism, food, energy, raw materials, employment, economic opportunities, transportation links, and leisure pursuits, he said. The Director General emphasized that it is important for persons to preserve and protect the ocean environment while seeking to benefit from it. We have challenges to overcome in order to sustainably balance our desire to make lives our population. We have challenges to overcome in order to sustainably balance our desire to make the lives of our population better and healthier, while treating our oceans with regard and respect, he said. Rear Admiral Brady noted that the government of Jamaica, through the MAJ, is playing its role in the preservation of oceans. I can assure you that Jamaica is fully involved in efforts to protect our ocean environments, both at home and in many international fora, he said. Jamaica, represented by the MAJ, is an active participant within the International Maritime Organization, which is the United Nations specialized agency with responsibility for the safety and security of shipping and the prevention of maritime and atmospheric pollution by ships, where Admiral Brady explained, adding that Jamaica has been a member of the IMO Council since 2007. World Oceans Day was first launched as a global event in 2003 before being officially recognized by the United Nations General Assembly in 2008. Since then, its prominence on the global calendar of events has grown. Alright guys, so that's the end of the article. That gives a lot more information on what's going on with the preservation of the oceans. So, guys, let us know what you think. Give us some feedback and leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.